Hello everybody, Deal3Deal channel here. It is 1 o'clock a.m. here, and I came from my job not so long time ago and wanted quickly to check up at allskycam.com. And nothing strange I saw, but now when I check this page, Observatory Trondheim, Norway, our neighbors by the way, we have same local time and it is midnight here, you can see, around midnight, and it is strange shining. I cannot understand what is that. It is not the sun in the west because it is midnight. So what is that? Feel free to comment below and good night.